Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and this is the Grilled Peach Bellini. Welcome back to Thirsty Thursdays. This week we're mixing up a new cocktail, a summertime refreshing cocktail known as the Peach Bellini. Now, if you haven't had one of these before, think of it as a mimosa, but with peach puree rather than orange juice. We're gonna beef it up a little bit because that's what we do around here. Not actual beef, I mean, we're gonna go hard. So of course we're gonna incorporate the grill here today. We'll start by having these peaches and getting the pits out of them. Now classically you'd use white peaches, but you gotta use what's available. For us, that's yellow peaches. Now early in the peach season, we get these clingstone peaches, and that's where we're at today. So they're not gonna be pretty, but it's not gonna matter because we're gonna puree them anyway. They're still super ripe and super tasty. Started with about 1.5 pounds of peaches here. After taking out the pits, made sure to save any juice that came out in the process. Now we're gonna go get a little char on these. Today we're cooking on the Yoder Smoker's YS640S pellet grill. It's running fast and hot, 500 degrees, no diffuser plate, direct flame. Since we're going just for color, not so much to cook anything, we're gonna leave the lid open and let this rip just as hot as possible. About 7 minutes in now, we're getting just a little bit of char, but more importantly, it's soaking up all of this smoky flavor, all this grilled flavor. These are good to go. Let's take them off before they soften. Peaches into the blender. I reserved those juices that we lost as we took the pits out. Lots of flavor in there. We're gonna add just a little bit of honey, and you can kind of do this as to taste depending on how sweet your peaches are, so start, go easy. And then if you really want to amp things up, a little bit of peach vodka. And then we'll throw in a few ice cubes, one to help kind of cool this stuff down and then to help it liquefy. I'll give it a taste now. Oh, that's good. I'd just eat that. Now typically, Bellinis are made with Prosecco. Took some creative liberties and I found us a brut rosé instead today. All right, let's get it popping. So we'll go into our glasses first with a little bit of Prosecco. Then we're gonna add our peach puree and top it off. I said Prosecco, it's rosé. I chose to leave the skins on today because I don't mind them, but if you do, you can boil these peaches in before you actually grill them and peel the skins off. I just worry that it cooks the peach too much. Top that off. Party time. All right, now for the taste. It's really bright. It's refreshing. Peach is the first thing I taste, which is great. Then you get that rosé behind it. The peach vodka adds probably extra peachiness to it, which is the thing that I like about it. It's kind of fun drinking a rosé that also has some body to it because of that peach puree. Highly recommend for the summertime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out ATBBQ.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to ATBBQ.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.